Uncle, wait. Uncle, look at that man that is with that white car there. The man used to dash people 5 million.
Lord of Zachariah, 5 million.
The man jammed one man with his car the other day. He gave the man 5 million naira. Instantly. See, Uncle, go let him jam you so that we'll be rich. He will give you 5 million.
That means if he jams the both of us now, he's going to give us 5 million. That is 10 million.
Yes, now. So that we'll stop drinking.
So let us go and let him jam our two.
No, Uncle, go first. Let him first and jam you. Then tomorrow you will jam me my own. That will be 10 million.
Let's go.
Oh my God, we've killed him. Wow, we've killed him. He's dead.
Both of you have killed my uncle, Abi. Now you are happy. You have killed my uncle. Give me the 5 million.
What are we going to do now?
I don't know. I have no idea. Remember that witch doctor? He said we should bring a big human head for the rituals, for the money rituals.
Yes. And this guy's head is very big.
Yes, since no one saw us here, I think we should quickly put him inside.
Okay. This young boy is also. Young man, come here.
How did you get here?
Look, you don't understand.
I thought by now you had turned to money.
Thanks for watching that wonderful comedy video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next Friday. Please subscribe, like and share the video with your family and friends. Please subscribe.